Hi, I'm Sohali Khan. Welcome. Imagine this: flakes falling every time you touch your hair, or your favorite black outfit turning into an embarrassment. Yes, I'm talking about dandruff, the silent villain on your scalp, feeding on oils and wrecking your confidence. You've tried it all: curd, lemon, oils, OTC shampoos, but it only gets worse. Well, don't panic, because today we're uncovering the truth with insights from a dermatologist to guide you to a healthier scalp. So let's get started. Welcome, doctor, and thank you for joining us. So, doctor, many people think that dandruff is just dryness or a cosmetic issue. Is it really that simple?
Is not just a dryness or a simple cosmetic issue. It could be psoriasis, eczema, seborrheic dermatitis, tinea capitis, and it could be just a dry scalp, or if you have a sensitive skin because of the extra secretions of your sebaceous gland, your secretions get dried up and then it forms a dandruff. So there are so many causes, and you should get a treatment for the specific reason, specific disease. So it's not just a dryness, it could be something else also. It could be tinea capitis also, or it could be the psoriasis also. So you should take a proper treatment with your dermatologist.
Now that we've understood that it's not just dryness, doctor, please tell us when and why people suffering from dandruff should seek medical consultation.
Dandruff is not just a cosmetic issue, or it's not just a dryness. You should take care of your scalp, and you should take a help of your dermatologist when the dandruffs spread beyond the scalp, around your ears, your chest, your back, shoulder, and when you start developing severe acne on your T-zone or over the forehead. You may get a severe hair fall also because of the dandruff. So in these cases, and especially when you have a psoriasis, eczema, or the tinea infections on your other body parts, you should take your dermatologist opinion for the same. Thank you.
Doctor, why is it that most of the home remedies fail to treat dandruff? Why is dandruff so stubborn? And why do these quick fixes not work?
Yes, that's a great question. Why most of the home remedies are not working? So, what happens? There are so many causes which can lead to a dandruff. Like most common is the malassezia, yeast formation. So, what happens when your scalp is very sensitive? It produces more oil, and the more oil will get will get infected with a fungus. Like most common is a malassezia. Other causes are like your dry scalp, your you may have tinea, psoriasis, as previously I have said. So there are so many different causes, and because of that you are started developing dandruff. So the single product cannot target all these causes and cannot treat all this. So basically what you should take a help of your dermatologist to identify the cause and to treat it properly. So काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है कि डेंड्रफ है एंड यू आर अप्लाइंग लेमन ऑन योर स्काल्प. ऑलरेडी सेंसिटिव स्काल्प है, इन्फ्लेम्ड स्काल्प है, एंड ओवर दैट यू आर अप्लाइंग सम एसिड. सो वो एग्रीवेट होता है डेंड्रफ. अदर मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग विच पीपल आर यूजिंग लाइक ऑयल्स. सो ऑलरेडी सेंसिटिव स्काल्प पे ऑयल ज़्यादा जनरेट हो रहा है और ऑयल ही ड्राइड अप होके डेंड्रफ बन रहा है. उसमें आप और ऑयल लगा रहे हो तो डेंड्रफ और ज़्यादा बढ़ता है. इवन सम ऑफ द OTC प्रोडक्ट्स, OTC शैम्पूज, एंटी डेंड्रफ शैम्पूज, उसमें काफ़ी केमिकल्स रहते हैं और वो स्काल्प को और सेंसिटिव बना देते हैं और ड्राई बना देते हैं. सो दैट आपका जो प्रॉब्लम है वो काफ़ी बढ़ जाता है उससे. सो डोंट यूज़ द OTC प्रोडक्ट्स. यू शुड ऑलवेज गो टू योर डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट कि आपका कॉज क्या है वो प्रॉपरली आइडेंटिफाई हो और प्रॉपरली ट्रीट हो. दैट्स वाई काफ़ी टाइम होम रेमेडीज़ वर्क नहीं करती, क्योंकि देर आर सो मेनी रीज़न कि जिससे डैंड्रफ होता है, और वो रीज़न को, दैट कॉज को वी हैव टू टारगेट. ओके.
What is the key takeaway for managing dandruff?
Your key takeaway is to take a professional help. You can ask your dermatologist will help you. What is the cause, why you are developing dandruff frequently, everything they will guide you and they will help you, because they have to find whether it is because of the psoriasis, whether it is because of the tinea infection, or whether it is because of simple seborrheic dermatitis, or it's just a dry scalp. So the only and only your dermatologist can help you and guide you in the proper way. So don't go and buy anything and don't apply anything on your scalp.
What should people do to maintain scalp health?
To maintain your scalp health, first of all, stop using OTC products and home remedies, because some of the products may contain SLS, paraben, propylene glycol, like strong chemicals, and it will irritate your scalp, and dandruff issue may trigger a lot. Second most common thing, that you should eat healthy diet. The diet which contains omega-3, 6, 9 fat-free fatty acids, the diet rich in protein, iron, biotin, calcium. And the third most important thing is to reduce your stress. Practice mindfulness, do yoga, exercise, whatever you like, but reduce your stress.
So dandruff isn't just about flakes or itching. It signals underlying issues like seborrheic dermatitis and acne. Don't wait for dandruff to spiral out of control. Consult your dermatologist and find a solution individualized for your scalp. Your dermatologist knows